Tired of getting sucked into the YouTube Shorts rabbit hole? Here's the fastest way to completely disable Shorts on both iPhone and Android so you can stop mindless scrolling. Let's dive in. First, open the YouTube app. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. Next, tap the settings gear icon up in the top right corner. Now tap on time management. From here, scroll down to the daily limit section and find the Shorts feed limit option. Toggle that switch on. A menu will instantly pop up, set your Shorts feed limit to exactly 0 minutes. That's it. Let's test it out. Go back to your home screen and pull down to refresh the page. Boom. The Short shelf is completely gone. And if you accidentally tap the Shorts button at the top of the screen, you get a clean pop-up saying you reached your Shorts feed limit. If this quick tip saved you some time, hit subscribe and check out the next video on screen for more tech hacks.